This is We Are Venice. Please share with your friends, family, subscribe the channel, press the like button, leave your comment. So I'm here with Elijah, you know, yeah, Elijah.
Yeah.
Talk a little bit about where you're from and what you do.
Well, I'm from Santa Monica, California originally. I grew up there skating and surfing. I'm a skateboarder still, so yeah, it's a great place to grow up, to be able to do both of those things. Kind of ended up trickling down to Venice most days, just because it's kind of more of a scene down there. So surfing breakwater or skating the old park before the new park. That was kind of just like the daily routine for a long time. And then they built the new park, and then it was just like on from there. And it's just so sick to see just how much progression it brought to all the skateboarders in Venice and Santa Monica. So it was an epic time to be a part of.
And just a little question. Did you ever meet, obviously I know you did, what was your relationship with Jayadams and all these guys from Dogtown, you know?
I wasn't as close with Jay. I met him, I was with him a bunch of times. That guy was just, I feel like, all over the place, you know? It's like hard to track him down. He's just chasing waves and just doing what he loved. So when you got to see him, it was cool, but it was kind of few and far between, you know? I never really caught him around too much, but the guy was just absolutely killing it at life, you know, just doing what he loved, getting barreled and traveling the world. So
did it, for example, you got influenced by his skateboard,
yeah,
you think your skateboard nowadays is related to that?
My mom introduced me to skating, and she's from Santa Monica, and so she obviously was growing up around the Dogtown era. So kind of my first introduction to skating was her showing me that type of skating. So that's kind of the first things that I really witnessed. And then so I knew who all those guys were from a really young age. And then my mom was friends with some of the Zephyr guys and just knew them from back in the day. So yeah, my introduction to skating was primarily zboys and all those guys. So yeah, I definitely looked up to them as a kid.
And who are your sponsors nowadays? Do you have sponsors nowadays?
Yeah, I still skate for Vans. I've been with them for almost 15 years now. Old dog now. And then I skate for fucking awesome skateboards, independent trucks, Spitfire wheels, Crap Eyewear.
Crap Eye, Peter.
That's
yeah.
a local Santa Monica brand. So
hi, Peter.
Cool.
Shout out to Peter, bro.
Yeah, shout out Peter.
We got our here right here.
Sure. Cheers.
Yeah.